Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we will be learning about dictionary in Python. So it's very simple. Like there is a value concept of key and value. Okay, let me initialize a variable. Suppose a is equals to. Then we need to start with curly braces. Same like set, but like in set we just give up the values. But here we have to give a key first of all. Like suppose my key is uh, let's say 2, and then I have to give its corresponding value in that key. Suppose I want to insert 2 like this into, and then we have to separate them using comma, and then suppose my key is 3. Okay, and I want to insert some value in my key. Let's say I want to insert yes, and then I am inserting 5, and okay, it can be a string, key can be anything. Let's suppose this is 5 and I am inserting the value 5 inside it, the numeric value. Okay, or it can be a boolean as well, like I am saying true and I am inserting the value as yes. Okay, similarly I am inserting false and the value I am going to insert is no. Okay. Okay, so first of all, let's check the data type. So type of A, which is going to come as dictionary, and then let's print it. Print A, control, save it and run it. See, this is 2, 3, 5, same values are coming. Okay, suppose I want to print a particular value. Okay, I want to print this yes. So what I need to do is I just need to write print A. So if this were a set, we could have written 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, but here we have to enter in the key values. Okay, so I want to print a of, suppose let's say I want to print this 3, a of 3. Okay, so let me just run it, console, and run it. See, the value of 3 is yes. Okay, or suppose I want to print all of the key values, right? Then a dot keys. Okay, so this will print all the key values for me, like 2, 3, 5, true, false. These are the key values. Okay, suppose I want to print all the values, uh, not the key values but the corresponding value for that particular key. Suppose 2 is having the value as TWO2. Okay, I want to print that thing. So I will say that's like same thing. There is one method items. I will print that items method over here. Something items. Okay. Yeah. It will print me all the values like 2 yes, 5 yes. So this is it, like how it will print. Okay, suppose I want to add more values to the dictionary. Okay, suppose I want to add a value. uh, I want to add a of, where we don't have one. Okay, we can add one. A of 1 is equals to, I will write as first value. So if I am going to print, that will be included in this one. Let me see, 2, 3, 5, then this is my first value, right? Okay, so what is happening here is, if it's either it's true or 1, so it's overwriting that value for me. If I am going to write a of 0 is equal to something, it will overwrite this false value for me. That's how it works. Like 0 is considered as false and 1 is considered as true, just like in other data types. So if that is like, it has modified that value, so you can write it as update existing value. Okay, so another example we can do for updating is like a of 2 I want to add the value as, instead of 2, let's write it as second value. So now if I am going to print a again, the value of a will be replaced. See, 2 is coming as second value. And similarly, if what if I want to add value? Now let's go back to add. A of 3 is not, a of 3 we have, 4 we don't have, right? So I will write a of 4 equals to fourth value. Okay, now if I'm going to print a, that value will be added. Clear this and print it. See, here we have a of 4, which is fourth value. Okay, so here what happened is, like, 1 and true it's considering same, and if I am updating 0, then it will consider this false, it will replace this value no if I am replacing a of 0. I can show you that as well. So now false value will be replaced here. See, false is replaced by false value, this no over here. So that's how it's replacing. And in case I want to delete some value, okay, so that's also very simple. Just write delete which value I want to delete. Okay, I want to delete a of, what is the key value? Suppose I want to delete this 2. Okay, I will write 2. So I want to delete false, a of false I want to delete. Simply write a of, I'm going to print it. See, now that a of 2 is gone and a of false is also gone. Okay, and similarly you can check the length here as well. Print length. Okay, as we checked using the same in list, same thing is over here, and size. So length of a, it will print the length. And what if I want to check that some value is existing here or not, right? So that can also be done. So I can write print if, I can only check the key value here. Print if, suppose I want to check that 3 in a, that whether this key value 3 is existing or not in this a dictionary. Okay, so this is my dictionary type, I can check that as well. Okay, okay, let's run it. Yes, it's saying yes, true, that value is available. And length is coming as 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 values are there total. So that's also fine. I think these are all the operations we do with the dictionary, like updating the value, adding a new value, removing the value, right? Or checking the length, and then whether an key exists or not, right? Or I think these or we can print all the keys, we can print all the values corresponding to that particular key. If we want to print a value at a particular key, these are all the operations which are existing in dictionary. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. See you in next lecture.